You know, we always hate Antonio and White animations. Why? Because they always make grounded videos out of us. So what should we do this time? I know what we can do to get revenge on Antonio and White animations.
What is it?
To get revenge on Antonio and White animations, we're going to kidnap them by bringing them to the haunted house a few blocks from here. Does this sound like a great idea?
Great idea. We can kidnap Antonio and White animations to get revenge on them for always making grounded videos out of us.
But wait just a second, Goris and Loris said we're not allowed to leave the house until our grounding time is up. Do you have any ideas to leave the house?
I have a plan. We're going to disguise ourselves as Goris and Loris. That way, they won't know we left the house.
Great idea, Doris. In fact, we shouldn't do this alone. We should call our friends. Then we will go to Antonio's and Dwight Animations' house. Then we will take them to the haunted house and they will be kidnapped there. Ha 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 ha.
5 minutes later.
Okay, now that we just called everybody, they should be here in 1 second.
All right. We're here, so what is the plan?
To kidnap Antonio and White animations, we're going to disguise ourselves as the people who ground us all the time. Then we will go to Antonio's house, ask him where White animations lives, put him in the box. Then we will go to White animations' house, then take them both to the haunted house down the street, and keep them there until they stop making grounded videos out of us.
Great idea, Boris and Doris. I'm so excited to kidnap Antonio and White animations.
Me too.
Good thing everybody's on the plan. Anyways, time to disguise ourselves as the people who ground us all the time.
Good, now that we're disguised as the people who ground us all the time, let's go kidnap Antonio and Dwight animations. Seriously, another person is at the door. I was just going to start making another Troublemakers video. Let's just hope it's not any of the troublemakers trying to force me to cancel their grounded series, or a user trying to force me to like him or her again. Oh, hi Goris, Loris, Maura, Elena, Mike, Herman, Homer, Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, David, and Arthur. What's up? Hi Antonio, we all have a question to ask you. Okay, what's your question?
We would like to know where White Animations lives.
He lives a few houses down from my house.
Thanks a lot. Can you do a quick favor for us?
What is it?
Just follow us, we'll show you.
Okay, I guess. Hey, what are you all doing? Stop stuffing me in the box. Stop it right now. Good, now that we got Antonio, we're going to go get White animations.
I wonder who that could be. Oh, hi Goris. Why do you have a scheming look on?
Hey, what are you doing? Stop stuffing me in the box. Stop it right now.
Okay, now that I just got white animations, it's time to go to the haunted house. Ha 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 ha. Our plan was a success. You both are going to stay at the haunted house and never leave. But Goris, Loris, Maura, Elena, Mike, Herman, Homer, Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, David, and Arthur. Why did you all do this to us? Did you all turn bad? We didn't turn bad. Wait, where did they all go? What's going on?
I don't know.
It's just we're not actually Goris, Loris, Elena, Maura, Mike, Herman, Homer, Mommy Pig, Daddy Pig, David, and Arthur. We're actually Boris, Doris, Dora, Elena, Billy, Bongo, Bart, Peppa, George, David, and Classic Arthur. Oh, I should have known it was you 11 the whole time.
Boris, Doris, Dora, Elena, Billy, Bongo, Bart, Peppa, George, David, and Classic Arthur. Why did you kidnap us? What do you want now?
We kidnapped you because we want you both to stop making grounded videos out of us. The only way we can release you is to end your grounded videos out of us.
We don't care. We're not going to end your grounded series. We don't care how long you keep us here. We're still not going to end your grounded series.
Okay. If you both don't want to end your grounded videos out of us, then you both will stay at the haunted house for the rest of your lives. Too bad, so sad.
No. We're not going to stay here for the rest of our life. We can just call the police on all of you.
No 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 no. Please don't call the police on us. We don't want to go to prison.
Too bad, so sad. I'm calling the police and that's final. Hello, is this the police? Well, Boris, Doris, Dora, Elena, Billy, Bongo, Bart, Peppa, George, David, and Classic Arthur have kidnapped me and white animations at the haunted house. Can you arrest them and rescue us? Okay, thank you, bye.
The police are on their way. So stay here until the police comes.
Officer Allen, it's you. Thank you so much for coming to rescue us.
No problem. And as for you, Boris, Doris, Dora, Elena, Billy, Bongo, Bart, Peppa, George, David, and Classic Arthur. I can't believe you kidnapped Antonio and white animations. You 11 are under arrest. Come with me to the police car while I take all 11 of you to jail.
Why?